As part of your walk-around, you would verify the condition, damage, blockage, of the 3 angle of attack AOA probes. The 3+3 captain, first officer and standby static ports. Check that the static ports are clear and the covers are removed. The 3 pitot probes. The 2 total air temperature TAT probes. The radar radome and its latches. Navigation antennas on the lower center fuselage. For normal operation, after AC power has been connected to the aircraft, ensure that the IR and ADR push buttons are in their normal lights out position. Then, select the nav position on the 3 IR mode selectors. The alignment process has now started. The on-bat light illuminates amber for a few seconds as a test of the battery circuit. Almost immediately, air data information is shown on both PFDs. On the ECAM memo, the message IRS in align greater than 7 minutes appears. This message tells you that the alignment process has begun. It takes approximately 10 minutes for a full alignment, but the ECAM will only count down from 7 minutes. After approximately 30 seconds, attitude information is displayed on both PFDs. To allow an IRS alignment, you will have to enter the present position in the init page of the MCDU. To save time, we have already selected this page for you. One method of position entry is to insert a company route. We have inserted the company route JAK TASH into the scratchpad for you. It corresponds in this database to a flight from Jakarta, Indonesia, to Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Select this route in the company route field by selecting LSK1 left. As you can see, this has automatically entered the latitude and longitude position of the Jakarta airfield into the MCDU. This data has been obtained from the aircraft database, and you should confirm that this position is correct by reference to airfield charts. Notice the up and down arrows beside the latitude title. These arrows tell you that the latitude information can be adjusted by using the MCDU slew keys. Press the MCDU slew up key to change the latitude information. Notice that the latitude figure has been increased by 1/10 of a minute. To adjust the longitude position, select LSK4 right. Notice that the 2 arrows have now moved across to be alongside the longitude title. The longitude information can be adjusted in a similar manner to the latitude. Press the MCDU slew down key to change the longitude information. Notice that the longitude has been decreased by 1/10 of a minute. Using this method, it is possible to fine-tune the position to, for example, the current gate position. An alternative method to input the present position is to enter the departure and arrival airfields. We have already entered 2 airfields into the scratchpad. Now select these 2 airfields to the From To field by pressing LSK1 right. This page presents all the flights from Jakarta to Tashkent previously stored in the database. There is no flight already stored between these two airports. Now, return to the init page by selecting LSK. This method has also automatically entered the latitude and longitude position. The position can be adjusted in the same manner as before. Either of these methods brings up the amber Align IRS prompt. Once you have confirmed that the position is correct, you can send it to the ADIRS by selecting the Align IRS prompt. Send the position to the ADIRS. The Align IRS prompt disappears, and the IRS will use this position as their reference to perform alignment. The IRS in Align message on the engine warning display counts down the time remaining until full alignment is completed. We have speeded up this countdown for you. If the position has not been inserted, the countdown will stop at 1 minute. In the MCDU scratchpad, a message, Enter Present Position, appears. Once IRS alignment is complete, all the information on the PFD and ND is available. The IRS in Align message disappears from the engine warning display memo. For the remainder of a normal flight, no further pilot input is required for the ADIRS system. At the end of the flight, you have to check the IRS performance by looking at the drift and residual ground speed. This information is accessed through the Data Index page on the MCDU. This page has already been called up on the MCDU. Call the Position Monitor page now. On this page, you can check the position deviation of the three IRSs. For additional information, refer to your documentation. To check the residual ground speed, you have to look at the IRS Monitor page. The Data Index page has already been called up on the MCDU. Call the IRS Monitor page now. Let's now look at IRS-1 parameters. Call the IRS-1 page now. From this page, you can check the residual ground speed of IRS-1, then access the other IRSs. For additional information, refer to your documentation. For the flight back, you have to insert a new company route typed for you in the scratchpad. Please insert it in the company route. On this page, notice the message Reset IRS to Nav. It indicates that you have now to perform a fast alignment of the IRSs. To carry out a fast alignment of the three IRSs, you have to momentarily set the three mode selectors to off. Select IR1 mode selector to off. Before 5 seconds have elapsed, turn it back to nav. With the position now in the MCDU, you can see that the Align IRS prompt has appeared on the MCDU display. After confirming that this is the correct position, it can be sent to the ADIRS. Select LSK3 right to realign the ADIRS. The actual position has been sent to the ADIRS. The ADIRS will take approximately 3 minutes to realign to the position entered into the MCDU.